Swipe from right for control center. Swipe from left for notifications. And the volume sliders. Let me show how I did it. Download these two applications from the links in the description. Open the app called Miui Control Center. Enable accessibility and notification sliders. Now it's running. Swipe from right for control center. Swipe from left for notifications. You can modify the control center into many ways from the options available below. And the volume sliders. Open the other app called Ultra Volume. Click Start and allow accessibility. Click Skins and choose Miui Style Volume Slider. Click Settings and modify the appearance similar to Miui Style. Thanks for subscribing. See you in the next video.